Well, the bees are angry yet again, and the problem appears to be in the bottom box. So, at the beginning of all of this, everything looks just fine. And I only slowed down to show you the individual frames that actually had some action on them. You can see that they're drawing out comb very well. They're putting in nectar quite well. This is a newer frame. You can see that they're busy. There are a few on the top of the hive. Here you can see they've definitely pulled out lots of comb here. Again, this is a new frame. Doing quite well, and you can see my smoker is lit. Here you can see this is one of the original frames, and you can see brood capped. Again, another new frame. They've pulled out the comb quite nicely. Pulling out more comb. One thing I have seen that's different than before is that I'm actually seeing drone cells. I haven't really seen them before, but they really do look like Cocoa Puffs. It's quite interesting. Again, I've got my smoker going. I think I'm doing everything correct. I think everything is going fine. I remove the top box. I go into the second box. And here's where problems begin. I try to pull out this first frame on the end and it's stuck. I finally do get it to come out after lots of prodding. It's being built out. Again, this is a newer frame. Lots of wax, nectar being put in. Then we go to the next frame and we pull this out. Again, nectar. Things are looking good. So far, so good. We go to the next frame. You can see it is full of bees. Lots and lots of bees. Then we go to the next one. Here again, lots of bees. Everything looks good. It's as we work further back towards the end of this frame. Again, everything appears to look okay. I'm not really looking for the queen at this point because I can tell they're getting irritated. But whoops, what do we have here? This looks like a possible supercedure cell. Is something wrong with my queen? And I honestly did not see this until I was making the video. So now I have questions as to what's really going on. There are the Cocoa Puffs. Those are drone brood. And here's where I get this frame out. I believe. Yep, here we go. There's a nice frame. Things looking okay. It's one of the original frames. This is the frame now that has the trap on it. You can see that they're doing nice work here. And this is where things go wrong. I actually got stung through my glove twice. This is the first time. I'll probably be back through here in a moment, and that'll be the second time. And at that point, I said, you know, I'm just going to take this beetle trap off. I'm going to put all the frames back in, and I'm going to call it a day. This was headed to an hour, and the smoker went out on me. Then I got it relit with more fuel, got everything put back together, and this is what the front of the hive is going to look like. And somewhere here the camera just kind of went awkward. There's the end of the hive. Have a wonderful week full of bountiful blossoms and blessings.